This tutorial is going to cover the O'Malley 100 Crestron unit. The first cable we're going to look at is the Vga cable. This cable transmits video. When you first take a look at this cable, please make sure none of the pins are bent or damaged because the video will not transmit if any of the pins are bent or damaged. The Vga cable is always used in conjunction with the audio jack because the audio jack transmits sound. Next, we're going to take a look at the HDMI cable. This cable transmits both audio and video, and the O'Malley 100 unit also contains a mini display port, and this also transmits both audio and video. Please note that the O'Malley 100 Podium has no built-in PC, so if you wish to project or connect to the internet, you must bring your own device. To start the Crestron unit, just select one of the sources found on the unit. You may need to press somewhere on the screen to wake it up. If you wish to connect with VGA, just select the VGA source. If you wish to connect with HDMI, simply select the HDMI source. If you wish to connect with mini DisplayPort, simply select the DisplayPort source. If you wish to connect wirelessly with AirPlay, simply select the AirPlay button, and that will allow you to connect to the projector via AirPlay. If you would like to connect with a Mac device using the AirPlay that's in the room, you will then navigate to the AirPlay icon located on your screen and select the room you're in. I'm in Miguel 307, so I selected the AirPlay for that room. Then a 4-digit code will appear on the projector screen. I will enter that into my Mac laptop, hit OK. Whatever is displayed on my laptop will be projected on the screen in the classroom. If you have a Windows device, go to the AirParrot icon on your laptop. This is what's going to allow you to connect through AirPlay. And once you've double-clicked on the AirParrot icon, a screen will come up and allow you to select the AirPlay for the room you're in. Once you've selected that, a 4-digit code will appear on the screen. You enter that code into your laptop, and whatever is displayed on your laptop will be displayed on the projector screen. The volume button also controls the sound. If you wish to mute the audio, select Audio Mute, and if you have a need to mute your display or make your screen go blank, simply select Display Mute. And also note that the podium has wheels and can roll, but please be careful of the cables underneath the podium if you're moving it. And wireless microphones are also available for this Crestron unit, and you'll just contact the circulation desk on the 5th floor of the O'Malley Library if you would like to borrow a wireless microphone. And please remember, when you're done using the projector, to select System Off. Note that there are no buttons that lower and raise the projector screen, and selecting System Off will automatically raise the projector screen.